wanted to do a tutorial on how to use the compress solution. Firstly, we will go over how to fold the towel for the most effective way to cover as much of the face possible without obstructing the client's ability to breathe. This is a 16 by 27 microfiber towel, and it will be folded in threes, and you can store it in a dry place however you please. The magic will come when you are applying the towel on the client's face. Be sure to have the single fold facing you and on top of the client's face, and the double fold will allow for maximum coverage on the client's face. The compress solution itself is a thick consistency until it hits the water. It will almost immediately melt in warm water. Scoop about a bean size to a table-sized spoon worth of compress solution. We recommend about a 2-gallon crock pot full of warm water. At Radiance Wellness Spa, we use this water throughout the entirety of the facial, dipping in new towels when needed. For best results, melt the compress solution in water about 5 to 10 minutes before your facial, and to drop in your towels for the towels to absorb the compress solution. Place the towel over the top of the client's nose and expand the double fold around the jawline. Push down gently but with a firm grasp around the face, starting with the jaw, cheeks, massaging the nose, and over the forehead. Roll the towel at the end, moving forward to the forehead. Place the towel into the water to reheat the towel in the compress solution. The fold will stay as you redo the process. This will take practice, but it is quite easily done. At Radiance, we do 3 compresses on the face, 2 compresses on the décolleté, and again 2 compresses on the face. Note that the compresses are done after a double cleanse and before exfoliation in your facial protocol, so it is okay to dip that same towel into the crock pot without contaminating the water. We find that clients thoroughly enjoy this part of the facial. The combination of the warm towels, the aroma of the orange blossom, and the repetition of the compresses, the clients start to doze off into their facial slumber. Please reach out if you have any questions via email skincare@drskinhealth.com or through our Instagram @drskinhealth.